Hey everyone, it's Irma here. There are several ways you can drag and drop elements in Visual Composer. The first one is simply by clicking on the element and dragging it to the desired place. You can move it around the page too. Let's take this button and move it a bit lower. Looks good. And the second way is to use the element controls. Click on the move icon of the element. In this case, I'm going to choose the same button and drag it to wherever you wish. You can also drag and drop elements using the tree view. Select the element you want to move right here and you can seamlessly change the location. This is especially helpful if you're using a mobile device to edit your page. It just makes it so much quicker. Last but not least, you can even reorder rows and columns as well as columns within a row. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!